All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download the app for your phone for the Holy Stone HS440 drone. First of all, you're going to go right to page 13, all right? And there's two QR codes. You've got one for iOS and one for Android. If you got an iPhone, this is the one you're going to scan. If you got an Android, that's the one you're going to scan. This app will use Wi-Fi on your phone. So you're going to have to go into settings to Wi-Fi to connect it once you've downloaded this application. So we're going to show you how to download the application using your phone camera. To get to the QR codes, again, it's on page 13. All right, so to scan something, you got to go to your photo app, right? And you're just going to go over it like that. Then we're going to go to the App Store, right? And bam, there it is. Now all I got to do is hit Get. Double click to install. Oh, it's got to do face recognition. Install. Okay, we're getting her loaded in. Anyway, that's the name of the app. If you don't want to do all that scanning, you can just put Holy Stone FPV and it'll pull it up. So now we just got to wait for that to load. And once that's loaded, then we can go ahead and move on with our fun, right? Oh, look, there we are. We're already in. Let's open it. Open. All right, so they would like to send notifications. I don't care about notifications. So I've got to sign in or sign up. So I think we probably have to sign up. And it says, yeah, we agree. But apparently we just agreed to. All right, so we got to put all our information in there. So I've got to, first I got to select a country. All right, so I'm in the United States, right? Yeah. Okay, now I can put all this stuff in. All right. So you guys hang in there for a second. All right, they want you to do this. I don't know what the terms are, but I'm sure that they're gonna suck everything out of my phone. All right, I'm going to go ahead and I'm sending the request. Let's see what happens. There it is. Enter device. All right, here we are. So we're in. All right, now we've got the app on our phone. And of course, we're going to have to connect it through Wi-Fi. But the next videos will show you how to do all that.